Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a crypto wallet with BlockFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a crypto wallet with BlockFi, start by visiting the BlockFi website. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on Get Started to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. After entering your email, create a strong password. Follow the password requirements displayed on the screen for security. Click on Sign Up to create your account. Next, check your email for a verification message from BlockFi. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your address. Once your email is verified, return to the BlockFi website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, complete your profile by providing the required personal information. This typically includes your name, phone number, and address. Be prepared to verify your identity by submitting a government-issued ID. Upload the necessary documents as prompted on the screen. Once verification is complete, navigate to the Wallet section from the dashboard. Choose the option to create a new wallet. BlockFi will provide details on the types of assets you can store. Select the cryptocurrency you want to hold in your wallet. Follow the instructions to set up your crypto wallet. You may need to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once your wallet is set up, you can fund it by transferring crypto from another wallet or exchange. Follow the provided instructions for depositing funds into your new wallet. After funding your wallet, you're ready to start managing your crypto assets. Explore the app's features to learn how to buy, sell, and earn interest on your holdings. Congratulations, you've successfully built your crypto wallet with BlockFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.